Have you ever thought to yourself, man, I'm really handy. I know my way around the tool belt, and if there's something wrong with my house, I definitely am the guy to fix it. I don't need to call anybody. Well, boy, do I have a story for you. My name is Carley Rae, and this is the day in the life of a full-time realtor. One time we had a seller who had owned many properties. He was a landlord and probably had 9 or 8 doors, townhomes, if you will. And he was a handy guy. Anytime something broke at one of his properties, his tenants would call him and he'd be there to fix it. Well, when it came time to sell a couple of these properties and we got them under contract, there's a time that the buyer has for a due diligence period to get a home inspection. So an inspector goes out, they're checking the roof, the plumbing, the electrical, they're making sure that the house is in a condition that the buyer feels satisfactory in moving forward, or asks for certain repairs to be completed. So when we received these repairs, we submitted to the seller, and the seller's like, yeah, no problem. So he went ahead and fixed the repairs. We told the buyer's agent all the repairs were done. Well, the buyer's agent asked for receipts of these repairs from a licensed contractor. Well, our seller wasn't a licensed contractor, and he became outraged with the fact that he was being required to provide receipts of the work by a licensed contractor when he had done them. Now here's the problem. The moral of the story is documentation is really important. The contract request for repairs, it has a little bit of a gray area of what is considered to be health and safety that would need to be done by a licensed contractor. In my seller's defense, him switching out a garbage disposal and changing the cover of an outlet isn't health or safety. Well, there was a little bit of a controversy back and forth, if you will. So let me tell you, documentation. If it's not documented, it's as if it never happened at all. So when writing a request for repairs moving forward, us as a buyer's agent or even as a listing agent, we are going to be very specific in how we word what repairs will be done by a licensed contractor and potentially what repairs we think that the seller is capable of doing. And if the buyer signs off on it, there's really no questions asked. So there you go. Carley Rae here in Las Vegas, Nevada, owner of the Realtor Group with the day in the life of a full-time realtor.